Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to view your blocked users on Tumblr using the mobile app. If you have ever blocked someone on Tumblr and want to review or manage your blocked list, this video will guide you through the process clearly and easily. First, open the Tumblr app on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Then, in the top right corner, tap on the settings icon. Then, scroll down through the settings options until you find the blocked users section. Tap on this option to open your blocked list. Finally, you will see a complete list of all the users you have blocked on Tumblr. From here, you can review the accounts and, if you wish, unblock any user by tapping on the corresponding option next to their username. This feature allows you to manage your Tumblr interactions and keep your experience safe and enjoyable. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it. Thanks for watching.